And out there all by herself in the 18 car is Shauna Myers. As they are running double duty for both divisions, here they come. Green flag, and we're racing.
And it's going to be the 15 car of James Amendrud out front, but we're going to get a caution. A little bit excitement for these Loves Park Auto Bandits.
Yeah, the lead car has to set the pace, and the rest of the field needs to stay with them. If he runs away from it way too fast at the beginning, they will set it and do it again. It needs to be an even start, but everybody has to set the pace with the car on the pole inside row 1.
Just a reminder that Bandits do have a breakout. If you go faster than 16.400, you will be considered a breakout, and you will finish last. So they definitely have to maintain speed.
So you'll
Not
see
too fast.
Sometimes you'll see them slow down, and that's why they're worried about hitting that breakout. That's just a rule of the division to keep the competition equal. As we're going to try it again. Here they go. Green flag, and we're racing. That one looked better this time.
And it's going to be the Turbo this time. The 5 of Jeff Parasot out front.
Turbo was real happy last week, had no problems with the car. Definitely hoping for a heat win tonight here, as he's got pressure from Mark the Beetle Bielefeld following him around.
Third spot goes to the 4K of Roger Thigpen. That 4K machine is for sale. Rounding off your top 4 working on the outside, doing double duty is Shauna Myers, also in the women on wheels as well. And it's still Jeff Parasot in that 5 out front. Now it's the 4K of Roger Thigpen in second. Got himself around the Beetle.
He had a real good run coming out of turn 2. Made his move to get around Beetle. Here comes the pressure on Jeff Parasot from the 4K car.
All times around in the 17-second range.
As this number 18M of Shauna Myers coming to the inside of the Beetle Mark Bielefeld. Roger Thigpen looking to challenge Parasot as well for the lead.
And it's the Turbo and the Gator. Who's it going to be? And the number 5 of Jeff Parasot, the number 4, Roger Thigpen. Jacksonville, Florida. That 4K machine. The Beetle now back in third. Shauna Myers in an 18 in fourth as they check the line.
Very, very close. Shauna Myers getting a little loose there in 3 and 4 on that last time around. Wasn't sure if she's going to spin out. Looking good. Passing the Beetle here. Nope, Beetle's back. Here we go. We got a battle for third. As Turbo is bringing it around again inside of Thigpen there. Thigpen looking to try to make his move as time is winding down with 2 to go.
And here comes the Gator. Who's going to take it to the lead as they go into turns 3 and 4? Will it be Turbo? Will it be the Gator? Oh, it's going to be tight. Turbo's still out front with 1 to go in that 5 machine, but here comes a 4K.
Who wants it more? It's going to definitely be 4K. He had no problem at all coming out of 2. Let's see what happens. Does Parasot have something for him? Coming around. Who's it going to be? Here comes Shauna Myers. Shauna Myers almost sneaks in there and takes second.
Roger Thigpen in the 4K will be first. Jeff Parasot, the Turbo. The 5 car third. The 18 of Shauna Myers in third. The Beetle. 96 of Mark Bielefeld. And your top 5, the 15E of James Amundrud.
Eric, it's always a good thing when you've got a race car for sale and you win. That's always a great selling point, definitely. So if you're interested in a race car, ladies and gentlemen, that car right there, sponsored by Bandit, is for sale.
And 5-star fabrications. I think he said it was $2,500. The price might have just went up for a win there.
Maybe.
It is his second heat win on the season. Was currently in 10th. He will definitely move up after this.
Yeah, once again, all the way from Jacksonville, Florida, only comes to Rockford for work and to race his 4K car. As once the season ends, he heads back down to Jacksonville, Florida. Great guy. If you'd like to meet Roger Thigpen, inquire to him about his race car, go down to the pits at the end of the night. You can talk to him and any of the other stars and cars here at the Rockford Speedway. Here it is. It's Roger Thigpen. And he's a big Florida Gators fan, as Eric had said. Loves his Florida Gators. So very long ride for Mr. Thigpen.